Hi guys, I'm back again with yet another vlog, and in today's vlog I'm going to take you on a journey on a music video set. Like, yes, I am acting in a music video and it's gonna be really amazing. This video might visually look a little different because I just have one lens at the moment. Vlogging on this lens is really a bad idea. This lens is in particular for montage sequences, what you call B-roll, but we'll try. So now I'm on my way to Vagator. That's where the shoot is happening, Vagator Hilltop. But I gotta stop and have lunch because I'm super hungry. Actually, I'm not super hungry, I'm just hungry, but you know, let's make it dramatic. So what should I eat? And the award for playing with my subconscious mind goes to McDonald's. I don't know why, I just keep coming back here again and again. I should be actually worried about my obesity, fat and stuff like that, but I still keep coming back here because you know why? This is the only viable option that is there. It's fast, it's affordable, it tastes really good. I'm gonna eat this meal now. This is what I'm talking about. So we are shooting in this place in Vagator called Shiva Place. Shiva Place, right? Yes. So some work is happening over there and I'm just sitting, chilling, waiting for my part to come, which should be soon. I'll be introducing you to the team basically who's doing all this, and you know, let's hear what the vision is. So he's the artist who has made this song. It's up. Yeah, it will be up on YouTube. On YouTube, we will let you know when. Link will be. Yeah, link will be in the description, and there'll be somewhere linked over here.
This is what I look like without the hat.
yeah, without the glasses also. Yeah, take a good look at him.
I used to follow MAV from quite some time now, and I want to do something like I want to make a cover or something, like do cover songs, and I contacted my friend Mangrish. You can show him in the frame. I've watched a few videos of his, so I called him up and said, let's do something. Yeah. So that's how this happened.
Nice. You know, we were just talking about how this song is a bit better than the original. Yeah, it's better than the original. I feel it's a bit better. Like the original track is like right in your face, kind of a you know, it has that aggressive vibe. This has more chilled out vibe, and come on, we in Goa are known to be chilled out. So yeah, so waiting for the track to come, and I think we will be shooting my parts now. Just let's speak to the cinematographer of the video, Mangirish, my boy.
The project, it was instant. Like, he showed me the music and then we said, let's do a video on it, let's do better than the original one, I feel. So yeah, that's how we did. And we collaborated with you. That was a big thing. Thanks for this.
No, it's my privilege and my pleasure to be a part of this project, man. And you guys must be wondering, who's that guy? I mean, who's that guy? Like, you know, let's just talk to him. Let's see if the panda can talk like us. So you got anything to say? Wow. Pablo. Do follow Pablo. I'll link his social media in the description and give him a follow. And yeah, he seems to be getting some nice following. I mean, check this thing out. This guy doesn't want to talk.
Shy.
He's like the man behind the camera. So yeah, so he's very humble in his approach, so he doesn't want to talk much. But
you don't want to get famous.
He doesn't want to get famous. I mean, come on, million people will watch you for sure. My million subscribers will watch you.
We'll do a both hard step together. I think even you can join. Both hard.
Fan following. He's literally turned into a chick magnet.
Do this have a pussy magnet?
Check it out.
Like that. She did it another way. And he just there.
Damn. So I just got done with one of my shots, and now we are shooting the final shot. Actually, I have a very small part over here. You can see like I've dressed up for the role. So yeah, we are doing the final shot on this kind of rocks which are there, and we are going to do the final shot, and then I'm done for the day, and it's done. I can go get back home and do my other stuff. Meet my co-actor for the music video. Her name is Shivani. She is my girlfriend, like in the music video. Yeah,
it's been really nice. It's my first time that I'm doing a music video like this, and I'm the lead in it, and really excited. And apart from my college, I'm doing something nice here, so I'm happy overall. Yeah,
she's really excited to be in the music video with me.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah. And here we have another co-actress in the music video.
I have not yet filmed it, but I think it's really nice. It's going to be really nice, and I'm already enjoying it. So yeah, that's it.
Cool stuff. So stay tuned, and we are gonna have some fun now. Sometimes I really wonder why I don't pursue acting, like, you know, fully. Why filmmaking? Actually, I love the whole process of creation, you know, like creating something, the story, the characters, the situations, the setting, and the overall feel of making a film is really amazing. But I've been an actor like all through my life. In school, sadly, I couldn't do much, but later on I did a couple of acting gigs. I'm a trained theater actor. I've won like state awards a couple of times. I've got some awards out of Goa also for acting. I always like to say it in this way: as much as I try to stay away from acting, acting doesn't leave me. I mean, I keep getting offers and I keep doing it, and you never know, someday in the journey of life I might just stick to being only actor, because I love it. It's really nice. There's something about acting, you know, which is really nice. I mean, all those who have been an actor or who have, you know, acted in something will relate to this. Yes, there's something about it. How was the shoot? So yes guys, we are done with the shoot, and now we are heading out of this place. Like, you know, maybe we'll have some tea or something on the way. It was really nice. I'm a bit tired actually, which keeps reminding me that I need to really start working out. Yeah. I don't know how many times or how many videos I have said this, but yeah, I'm working on it. Actually, the thing is, like, I'm not having the right time, like, you know, that little window where I can go and work out. So I'm still trying to find out when I can work out. So if you have some suggestion, let me know, like whether I should work out in the mornings or the evenings or maybe in the afternoons. Don't know which gym is open in the afternoons in Goa. So yes, it was great working in this music video. It will be out soon. When it comes out, probably my vlog will be out before the music video. So whenever the music video launches, I will link it in the description and put it out somewhere here. Check it out over there. And also, if you're not following me on my social media, you should do that, because I'm gonna announce it on the social media. So that's about it guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, let me know in the comments. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. Like, do it, but only thing, hit it 2 times, like not just once. And that's about it. I'm out of here now. My car is parked over there. I really want to sit in the AC, so I'll do that, chill out for some time. And yes, thanks a lot for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I'm on my way to Wagator. Oh. It's bloopers, rich bloopers. Actually, sometimes I feel, sometimes I deliberately do some mistakes in my videos so that I can put it in bridge bloopers, you know. Like if you have stuck around till this part of the video, I really appreciate you guys. I mean, love you guys for that.